right, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my live Forex trading session, New York session. As you guys are hopping on, let me know where you guys are watching me from. Let me know where you guys are watching me from. I hope you guys had a good night. Just give me a second, guys. What pairs are you guys looking at this morning? Let me know what pairs you guys are looking at this morning as well. How's everyone doing? All right. We're gonna be looking at a few pairs this morning. Uh, looking at looking at GBP JPY. Nothing is going on GBP JPY at the moment. How you guys doing this morning? I hope you guys had a very good day. All right. Even if I had the moving averages here, GBP JPY is actually still in consolidation. Looking at GBP USD. Now, so for the challenge, I'm gonna start on Monday. These are the pairs that we're gonna be trading. The challenge that I'm gonna be starting on Monday, the $50 to $6,000 in 30 days challenge. These are the pairs that we're going to be trading aside from indices, which is NAS 100, US 30, and DXY. We're going to be trading gold, GBP JPY, GBP USD, and all these other pairs you guys are looking at. So those are the pairs that we're going to be trading. We're only going to take one trade a day. And if we're going to take more than one trade a day, we have to make sure whatever first pair we trade has to hit our take profit first before we take another trade. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing for Monday. So looking at GBP USD, we already have the cross. Looking at this moving average, I have the 10 and the 50 EMA here. So this is actually the strategy that I showed you guys on my latest video on the gold strategy video. So this is actually the strategy you guys are looking at. I'm going to be using this live on this trade so you guys will actually see and understand how it actually works. So looking at GBP USD, Right now, since we actually kind of like missed this entry because we have the cross, and then you guys can see that we actually had the pullback right over here. In this case, back to the 50 EMA, and then price came back to the 10 EMA. So what we're gonna do now is that we're just gonna wait for a break and retest of this support zone over here, because if we go to the higher time frame, to the 1 hour time frame, we're going to see that this is actually a support zone. This is actually a support zone over here. So on the lower time frame, in this case, on the 15-minute time frame, we're going to have to wait and see, and actually wait for a break and retest over here. Then we can get in for this sell, and hopefully we can catch 15 to 20 pips, maybe 10 to 20 pips on this trade GBP USD. So that's what I'm looking at for GBP USD right now at the moment. So that's what I'm looking at right now. And if you guys have any questions, you can put them down in the comment sections, and I'll do my best to respond to all your questions. Hey, Sally, how you doing?
Good.
That's good. I mean, if you have a camera, you can turn your camera on. If you don't, you don't have to.
Okay.
Um, and looking at Euro USD, you can see, looking here on the 15-minute time frame, we already had the break of our support zone here. So now we gotta wait for price. We gotta wait for price to come back down here to the support zone, give us a retest, then we can get in this thing and scalp Euro USD if we have the chance to. Because on the 1 hour time frame, price just actually broke the support zone, but we also have another zone over here. So we need to see what's actually gonna happen here. Um, so we need to see what's gonna happen when price get down to this zone as well. So I'm gonna mark this next support zone over here on the 1 hour time frame. When it comes to scalping, you have to figure out what's going on the higher time frame. So you figure out what's going on the higher time frame, then you get in on the lower time frame. So right now we have no trades yet. This one here, we would definitely have got our 10 pips right over here. Yeah, this alone is about 20 pips. That's why on Monday we're only going to be trading these pairs that you guys are actually looking at, because they're very easy to scalp and get 10 to 20 pips very quick. Euro JPY, looking here on the lower time frame, we already have a break, and if we go to the higher time frame, we can see that that's actually what's going on. So now we just gotta wait for price, see what price is gonna do. When it gets to this next support zone over here, then we'll be able to, scalp this as well. So we're only going to be taking 1 to 3 trades if the market gives us what we want. So that's what we're looking at. Now, if we're looking at EUJPY, obviously, if we have a break over here, we can see that price could definitely potentially get to this zone, because if we look over here to the left hand side, we had nothing but plain bullish candles up until this zone. So you guys can see right over here to the left hand side. So we'll see how that goes. Let's take a look. Now we had a rejection, so we'll see how this goes. Looking at Euro NZD, let's go to the higher time frame. All right, looking at Euro NZD, obviously this is the 1 hour time frame. You can see we got support. Price already created a double bottom here, rejected at the double bottom. Now we just need to see if price is going to break this resistance zone. We could have scalped this rejection for 10 pips, even or 10 to 20 pips. If you look at this, right now market is actually running 32 pips, but we missed our entry. So if we go to the lower time frame, in this case the 15-minute time frame, if I add the moving average, we just had the cross, and using this strategy you have to wait for a retest before you get in. Just that just makes this strategy, that's one of the reasons why this strategy has a very high win rate, because no strategy is 100%. So the reason why this strategy has a high win rate is because you wait for the cross. Once you have the cross, now what you're waiting for is a pullback or a retest from your resistance or from your support. So that's what we're actually waiting for. It's actually the same strategy you use when you're trading without indicators. Just using this 10 and 50 EMA just helps you with more confirmation. So right now there's really nothing going on right now at the moment. Excuse me, guys. So now we just gotta wait and see how this trade goes. So let's see. I'm showing this. Okay. Sally, what kind of trader are you?
Oh, I just started not long ago.
Oh, you just started? Okay.
I have, and I've blown so many accounts already, so I really need help.
Don't worry. I mean, it's that has happened to all of us.
Terrible.
Yeah, that has happened to all of us. Myself included. I've blown accounts before too.
Oh, I see.
Every Forex trader you see on YouTube they've all blown accounts. It's not me. It's just it's part of learning.
Yeah.
Man, I'm so mad about this Euro NZD entry. This was a very perfect freaking entry, just based on the 1 hour time frame.
Mm.
Should have got my 10, 20 pips and I'll be out right now. All right. Now I just gotta wait for another entry. Oh, can you? What's that? What's that sound? Okay. Um, okay. Let's see. GBP right now. We just need to see if price is actually gonna break our resistance. What we're looking at. So now the New York session just opened anyways. So let's see how it goes. Missed this gold entry also as well. This was a very, very nice entry right here. This was a very, very nice entry. Let's see. Try. I didn't know. Let me make this. Okay. Um, See what God is doing this morning. See what God is gonna do this morning. We already missed a nice entry on gold though. Now we gotta wait for another entry on the 15-minute time frame. We'll see what happens. See. Let's see what happens. Let's go back to the 15 minutes here. Okay. Let's see what gold is gonna give us here. Let's see what gold is gonna do. We have the 10 crossing the 50. Bam. We got the 10 cross the 50 there. Now price is about to break support and close below support zone based on the 1 hour time frame right over here. So we'll see what happens. Now we need a break and retest, and right here on the 15-minute time frame, and we can get in on gold. We missed our first entry, so maybe we'll get another chance. And price should, I believe price is heading towards this direction though. So we'll see how that goes. Okay. Bear with me, guys. If I'm yawning a lot, I actually went to bed very late. So Mm-hmm. See. Mm. All right. Okay. This 15-minute candle is about to close on gold, and we'll see how this goes. Hey Sally, can you see my chart? Can you see my screen very good?
Yeah, I can. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm.
You're actually the only one on here. Everybody else must be sleeping. I hope they don't do this on Monday. That's the thing with this industry. A lot of people really don't want to learn. They just want to freaking Forex and think it's a get rich scheme, get rich money scheme. Like, you actually got to put in the work. You got to learn this stuff. This stuff is not easy.
No.
And you actually have to love Forex. If you come into Forex just because you know or think you can make money with it,
Money. Yeah.
you start making money, you're gonna be like, you know what, I'm out, I'm done, I'm not trading anymore. And then that'll be the end. But if you really want to do this, then you gotta love Forex, you gotta be dedicated to Forex. Like, you gotta keep learning, keep grinding, keep going, and eventually you're gonna get there. Shit, I know how to trade, but shit, I still lose money. It's part of
Really?
yeah, it's part of trading. You can't win 100% of the time.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Shit, if that was the case, man, a lot of people will be making money with Forex right now. gonna go for nice. That's something crazy. 322. This is gonna be a very tight stop loss. 1 to 2. Just leave that right there. Let's see what happens. Okay. Almost. I'm trying to get this one here. This right over here. This side. See what goes. Looking at Euro NZD over here to the left hand side, there's actually a zone over there. I'm just gonna remove that. Let's see. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see if price is gonna reject this zone here on the 15-minute time frame. Let me remove this target of a target. Yeah, so let's see. Then we can just write this. Yeah, this is safe for safe trade. Just how. Yeah, 1 to 5 is the reward ratio right there. Sally, you still here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Um, how much do you have in your trading account? I'm just trying to see if you can trade gold on your account.
Okay. Okay. It's selling now, isn't it?
Huh?
The gold is selling.
Yes,
Hmm.
it's selling. I'm just waiting to see if we're gonna have a rejection here at this zone on the 15-minute time frame where
Oh,
this
okay.
zone is right now. As you can
Mm-hmm.
see, I just marked it because of this weak rejection over here to the left hand side and over here, and then price pull back up to that zone over right over here. So I need to see what's going to happen.
Okay.
This candle is going to close in 4 minutes, and we can just cut this thing real quick. If you have at least 50 to or $100 in your account, you can scalp gold, but use this in very small lot size.
Okay, on the
Yeah.
gold.
Mm-hmm. Look at
Okay.
what happened. Price rejected that zone.
Oh, okay.
It's, a, it's about to close bullish. Look at the 5 minute time frame. Yep. Price, price rejected that zone on the 5 minute time frame. Now it's about to. If the wick can just touch the 10 EMA here, look on the 5 minute time frame. Let's see what happens here on the 5 minute time frame in 2 minutes. So it's a good entry over here. Right, almost 800 pips right here.
Mhm.
We're still in a downtrend though. We just need a very good entry because gold is very volatile.
Mhm.
Now we touched the 10 EMA here. Show you something real quick. Let's use my thing. This right here will help you understand. Now look, the MACD here, the blue line already crossed the yellow. That was the sell signal right there. Here on the 5 minute time frame. So back to the 15. So Now, if you're going to use this strategy on the 5 minute time frame, it's better to use 20 EMA on the 5 minute time frame. And look at all that base. I'm just stuck on that. I'm just stuck on gold. Man, GBP looks horrible on the 5 minute time frame. Seriously. Nice entry over here. 100 pips. This candle closes in 2 minutes. We got our pullback. Price is really trying to break this zone. Now, what's going on is the sellers are trying to continue, pushing this down, and buyers are coming in trying to push this up. We break this zone, yeah, price should continue coming down. gonna leave. We're gonna leave indices alone for now. This is a good buy. Oh, so back to gold. Yep. If this candle closes bearish, yeah, price will continue coming down. If it closes bearish in the next 1 minute, the next candle should definitely close bearish. Because of this weak rejection here on the 2020 EMA. So I'm happy to see that weak rejection right there. Wow. This is a war going on between the buyers and the sellers right now. How long have you been trading, Sally?
I started last year.
Last year?
Yeah. And then after some quite losses, I took a break and then I came again.
Okay. Trading live signals. I'm not in gold yet. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get in gold, but right now we're in consolidation. When you're scalping, when you miss an entry, you just gotta wait for another setup. Meaning, you just gotta wait for another entry. So right now, I'm looking, I just need tries to push down past this week, then we can get in. I don't want to be in this consolidation right now. Because after this consolidation now, one or two things is gonna happen. The buyers are either gonna win or the sellers are gonna win. So I need to see who's gonna win before I get in. Breadwinners FX, how you doing? This freaking country. Hey, Schumann, how you doing?
I'm good. How about yourself?
I'm good. I'm trying to get this money.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. You still at work?
Yeah, I'm at work. Yeah, still at work. I get off. I get off at 4 o'clock.
Oh, you say you get off at 4 p.m.?
Yeah, yeah, man.
Oh,
Are you the only one that can see me?
you said what?
Are you the only one that can see me?
Uh, it's only the people on the, yeah, everyone can see you.
I'm sorry.
Everyone watching can see you.
Okay, okay.
But your camera is off, so
Yeah.
I missed out on this freaking Hero USD. Perfect entry right over here. Missed out on it.
Seriously?
Huh?
Uh, no, I'm listening to you. I'm listening.
Yeah. Now I gotta wait before I get in because looking here at the 1 hour time frame, there's a support zone over here, so I need to wait.
What about what about NZD USD? Did you check that?
Now those pairs are not good for scalping. I mean, you can scalp them, but
Okay,
it's
okay.
it's harder to catch like 10 to 20 pips on pairs like that.
Yeah.
So the challenge we're going to be doing on Monday, starting on Monday, these pairs to the right, these are the pairs we're gonna be trading, which is gold, GBP JPY, GBP USD, Euro USD, Euro JPY, Euro NZD, and then once we grow the account well enough, then we can start, you know, adding indices to it also, like NAS 100, US 30, and DXY. The
Okay,
DXY is dollar index.
okay.
Yeah, USD, I just need price to break and close up below this here on the higher time frame. If that happens, then price should continue selling to this next zone over here. Because we got another zone here on USD down here. So we'll see what happens.
Right.
Um, I'm definitely not in a rush.
I think I can do better.
Oh, you joined from two computers?
No, it's one. I'm on my cell phone.
Okay.
Let me. I don't know how to do it. I'm leaving from my manager. Okay? I'm getting
Huh?
I'm getting echo. I'm getting like a feedback. So I'm gonna leave and come back in again.
Yeah, that's from you. It's because you're using your cell phone and your computer. That's why it's echoing.
Yeah. I'll be right back.
All right. Finally, let's see. Let's see what happens. You still with me, Sally? Oh, Sally left.
I'm back.
You still here, Sally?
No, no.
I'm here.
Okay. If this closes bearish, then price should continue coming back to our zone. Closes in 1 minute.
What you doing? Gold?
Yeah.
Question. Um, the 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 30 day chart. Um,
What about if people have to work? How are we gonna do it?
I can barely hear you, Schumann.
The 30-day challenge, right? What about if some people has to work? How are we gonna do this?
Hold on, I'm really having a hard time hearing you. Yeah, what were you saying?
Now, I was saying, the 30-day challenge, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Um, if some people has to work in the morning, how are we gonna, you know,
I
work
mean,
work things
so
out?
I'm still gonna send the signal out, but I'll be going live every day, Monday to Friday, until for 30 days now during the challenge.
Okay. All right.
And
And how
for the
many times you
people
sending
that
the
can
signal?
make it,
Uh, how many times you doing the signal? Like 3 times a day?
huh?
The signal. How many signal you sending?
So we're gonna start with just one trade. We're not gonna take another trade until the first trade hits our take profit.
Okay.
So it's gonna be at least one trade, just one trade. If that hit take profit, then we can take another trade. So hopefully 1 to 3 trades a day.
Okay. It's gonna be hard for me who's not a full-time trader who has to be at work.
I mean, if you can make the live trade session,
Uh-huh.
you'll still get the signal.
Okay.
But for those people that can make it, they'll just watching me how I take my entries is just gonna help everybody be able to trade on their own. I mean, at least how I trade. Every trader has their own strategy.
True, true. All right. Sounds good.
hmm Some people might be wondering now, looking at gold, why didn't I get in yet? I didn't get in because I need price to freaking break below this week. Because this week over here means that at one point price got to this level, but it actually went back up and closed a little bit above it. So I need price to close below this week. If it does, then I'll get in.
I see.
Yeah, that's what when you see a wick, that's actually where your zone is. That's actually where your zone is because at one point the body of the candle got to that level. It just didn't close over. It just didn't close there. I know. I'm just scalping this, not trying to be greedy.
Sounds.
You said what?
Oh no, I was talking to to one of my coworkers.
Oh, okay. So, what do you do, Shimon?
I am a police officer.
Huh?
I am a police officer.
Oh, I hope you're not gonna arrest me.
That's not for what? You see, I'm at work right now. You see?
Hmm?
I'm at work. Can you see me?
Oh yeah, I see you. Man, you can always trade.
Say what?
I said you can always trade. You see a signal, all you gotta do is just pull over and take the trade.
Well, why I'm extremely busy.
Huh?
Where I work is extremely busy. Right now, I'm on meal, so that's the reason I get a chance to log in. But where I work is a very busy city, constantly radio runs.
Oh wow. In New York?
Yeah,
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a big city. It's just like being a police officer here in Houston.
Yeah, I have three guys who transferred to Houston from my department.
Oh, the police officers as well?
Yeah,
Cool. Now, looking at freaking gold now. Now we just had a retest back to the previous zone. I needed to close below this wick before I get in.
are you doing a 5 minutes short?
Yes, yeah, I'm only 5 minutes. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm only 5 minutes. Even though I have my take profit down here, I'm gonna tell everybody once I send this trade out, I'm gonna tell everybody to take partial profit and move stop loss to entry. It's just ranging in between these zones. I don't like to be in a range. Oh man. This gold trend started even before the New York market opened. Actually good attack hit this zone over here. Very 20%. This is the only trade I sent today. So I don't care. So 340 pips. Let's see how it goes. Come on, just freaking break. Break already.
Salary. So, which, that's good. Excellent. Yeah, thank you. No.
I'm selling GBP USD. Did you get the GBP USD signal, Schumann?
Yes, I did. I'm about to set up right now my cell phone.
And gold is still freaking ranging. What book are you using, Truman? gold is still ranging, so I'll be back, guys. Hey, good morning, David. How you doing? Oh, you back, human?
Yeah, I'm here. Can you hear me? I'm here. Can you hear me?
Huh?
Now, sir, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
I was gonna ask you earlier. Do you still trade at London session?
Oh, you responding to a call now?
No, 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 no. Now, I'm on meal. I'm on meal now. Now I was asking you, do you still trade at London session?
Huh?
Do you still trade at London session?
Sometimes if I see a trade setup, and if I'm awake, I'll take it. But for the most part, just New York session.
Gotcha.
Yeah, but starting from Monday, I'm gonna start. The live trade section is gonna actually start at 7.
At 7?
Yes, that's gonna be 8 o'clock your time.
Okay.
So I think, yeah, you guys are 1 hour ahead of us.
Right, right. It's our difference.
I just need gold to break below this consolidation. It was a nice downtrend earlier, and now it's just freaking consolidating now, and we clearly still in a downtrend. I just need a good entry. Okay, come on. I hope this can. There we go. Come on, close. It's about to close in 1 minute. I hope it closes below it.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
See,
Now we're talking.
go and listen to you, man.
Huh?
Go and listen to you.
You said to listen to me? This is gonna be the last trade. You, LA was you and Sally that was here.
Okay.
Ooh, man, look at gold. Do you see that?
Yeah, man. But I can't do nothing about it. I'm at work.
You can't take it?
No. If I was home, yeah.
Oh, wow. So you didn't take any trades today?
I did. I took the GBP one, the one earlier on my phone.
Oh, okay. It started on this earlier also, but it's okay. GBP JPY was crazy this week. Now it's just freaking in a freaking rage here and this in the lower time frame. Now it's in a freaking range. Now it's just freaking ranging.
Are you using what? Are you using MACD?
Yeah, down here, yeah, this is MACD.
Or you're not using any EMAs, right?
Huh?
You're not using any EMAs.
I mean, I have it on my chart. I mean, I do, but I'm not using it right now.
Okay.
It's around here, 20 and 50.
20 and 50?
Yeah.
Okay.
So when you're scalping, you can use 20 and 50 or 10 and 50.
Okay, let me write that down. Give me a second. Let me grab me a
Now
pen.
my next strategy video that I'm going to do is going to be on the using the 20 and 50 EMA to catch 10 pips every day.
Okay, so it's 20, 50, and well, what's the 5 minutes chart?
Yes. My next video is gonna be about it, so you can watch it when I upload it on I don't know, maybe Saturday or Sunday, because I'm gonna have a very busy weekend.
Okay. I see you using Mac, right? MACD. What's the other line that's like running with MACD?
Huh? You
The
said
other,
what?
oh yeah, I see that you're using MACD, right?
Yeah.
The other line, like the yellow, the orange, and the blue line running through MACD. What's the name of that one?
Is it this one?
No, 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 no. The line, the long line, the two.
Oh,
Yeah, those.
this?
Yes.
Oh, it's just main and signal line.
Is there a name? What's the name of it?
Main and signal line.
Or main and signal lines?
Yeah, when the blue. So usually, now this is your Instagram right here. This red and green bars, or you can call it Instagram. So when these two lines is below it, it just simply means price is on a downtrend,
Gotcha.
and when it's above, it just simply means price is in an uptrend. Now, when these two lines is very close like this, intertwined, it just means price is
Consolidate.
consolidated. There's
Okay.
really there's no trend. But
Gotcha.
when they have this space in between them, then the market is definitely trending.
Gotcha. So 20, 50, and MACD are very good for scalping.
Yes, you can use it on the 5 minute time frame. For example, if I'm on the 5 minute time frame for gold right now. So looking at gold, lets you know that we're clearly on a downtrend, and when price broke this support here on the 5 minute time frame, and we had a retest back to the 20 EMA, I could have entered right there if I wanted to. That was actually a good entry, and then price just started ranging. So usually, once you have a break below support, and then price here on the 5 minute time frame, and price pulls back and touches the 20 or the 50 EMA, and then once price gets back to the 20 EMA, then you can get in the trade, like we have, right here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's a this is a good entry right over here. This bearish candle. See, we had a pullback, and then price came back to the 20 EMA, and then you just get in right here, this candle, and then this was the nice. This is this setups that I like to that I like to take when I'm scalping, and then I'll just scalp it to till I get to my next zone. Because looking at growth, that's almost 600 pips. Oh, wow. And now it's pulling back. Now it's freaking pulling back. Better not touch my stop loss. Let me see. If anything at all, it's probably just gonna. If it's gonna retest at all, it's probably just gonna retest the the trend line. I just heard that you guys just oh, someone said thank you. Someone said thank you for your service, officer.
Well, thank you, appreciate it. Thank you.
I heard you guys just legalize marijuana.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's legal.
about time.
I know, right? It is. It's legal. It's gonna be legal in a lot of states.
Huh?
It's gonna be legal in a lot of states.
Yeah. Shit, I don't know what Texas is waiting for. I'm so mad about it, but hey, there's nothing I can do.
Well, you should move to New York.
Ha! Nah, I can't live in New York, bro. Too cold for me.
Yeah, it gets cold here. It really does.
Hmm. Wow.
Quick question.
My good is not looking good right now for me. It's gonna hit the stop loss.
Quick question.
Yeah.
The lower EMA number you use, the closer it is with
Huh?
the lower number of EMA you use, right?
Mm-hmm.
The line get closer to the candlestick, correct?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, once it get closer to the candlestick, is it a better way? Is it better to read?
Now, so for example, this 20 EMA, like I told you earlier, for example, we can see that the trend for this gold started from right here.
Right.
So because of this rejection at resistance, so and if you decide to mark up your zones here, on the 5 minute time frame, because we have a support here on the 5 minute time frame. So what you could have done using the 20 EMA like this. Now, once we have a break, and then a retest is going to happen, and then you just get in right over here. You wait for the retest and you get in. So you would have gotten somewhere over here, and then just have your take profit next to this zone. Now you don't always have to wait for your take profit, especially when you're scalping, stuff like gold indices, because they're very volatile. You always got to trade your stop loss. So that's it. You just say your take profit to the next zone, and then you keep trailing it. And if you miss this entry right over here, you could have got in here again when the price pulled back again, and you just continued. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I do.
But if I change this 20 EMA to the 10 EMA, it will be closer. You see how close the 10 EMA is to the
20 to the 50.
to the candles, to the candlesticks.
Oh, okay. I got you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
But I prefer to use the 20 EMA.
Okay.
Be good touch, man. What the? Wow. This is insane.
If you're doing well, I guess you'll send a text like alert if you're doing Sundays, right?
Huh?
If you're doing Sunday, you're gonna send an alert
Yes.
Sunday evening.
You mean if I upload my video?
Right.
Yeah. But if you're trading on the 15-minute time frame for scalping, you can use the 10 EMA there.
The 10?
Yeah, 10 and 50. Because this GBP USD trade that we're on right now, if now we have this week does touch the 20 EMA. Now, hopefully, the next candle should be bearish, and price should continue pushing down.
I like to trade in on the 1 hour chart. So what's the best EMA to use?
Yeah, I like the 1 hour also. You can use 20 and 50 on the 1 hour as well.
Okay.
Let's see. If price is close above this 20 EMA here on the 50-minute time frame, man, we might lose this trade. Man, I hate gold, man. I hate gold as well.
What?
I, I said gold is one of the pairs that I hate.
Oh,
I just don't like how it moves. Oh wow. Okay. Gold was a loss. Gold was a loss. That's insane. Well, now it's he hit my stop. He didn't stop at 97. That's insane. Minute time frame. But next week on Monday, the scalping is going to be on the 15-minute time frame, not on 5 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yes.
And what's the lot size you're gonna start with?
Huh?
What's the lot size we're gonna start with?
I sent it. I sent it to the group. We just gonna start with $50.
Yeah, but what about the lot size? Like 10 cents, 40 cents, a dollar,
Uh, no, it's gonna be trade one is gonna be 50 cents.
50 cents. All right.
Yeah, good was about freaking 40 pips. Man, I hate losing. I freaking hate losing. had a very tight stop loss. That's why we lost because he pulled back on the 15-minute time frame. Now, GBP USD on the 15-minute time frame just pulled back to the 10. We sell it to the 10 EMA. And gold did the same thing. Gold is trying to do the same thing now here on the 15-minute time frame. Oh, you stupid. Go take it. Go to it.
All right, Abby, I'm gonna have to get off. I'm going back on the road now.
Yeah, me too. I'm getting out.
All right, man. It's good to see you, man.
Same here.
All right, brother.
All right.
Have a nice weekend. What's up?
Yeah, so guys, looking here at GBP USD on the 15-minute time frame, we got in on the 5-minute time frame, but the fact that we now have a rejection here at the 10 EMA, we had a retest back to the previous support zone. So this is a very good sign. So price should continue moving bearish, and hopefully we can get to take profit of 20 pips. We took a loss on gold. I had a very tight stop loss because gold is very volatile. Yeah, that's okay. You win some and you lose some. That's why when it comes to pairs like gold, if you don't have a decent account size, don't even look at gold at all. Don't even try trading it. So, but so far looking at GBP USD though, I'm happy with what I'm seeing. Looking here at the 15-minute time frame, so we have a slight stop loss on GBP USD as well. But so far I'm excited. So guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and end this. But before I leave, so Monday for me and my subscribers, um, I'm doing a $50 30 days challenge. So I'm trying to, help you guys, um, grow your account, compound your account. So we're gonna do a 50. We're gonna start on Monday. We're trying to grow a $50 account to. It's gonna be about $6,000, $5,600 to be precise. So that's what we're trying to achieve in 30 days, and my goal is to go live like this Monday to Friday for 30 days. But sometimes because I'm a very busy man, sometimes I might not be able to. But I will always send the signals to the group. So if you guys want access to the 30 days challenge, the link is going to be down below in the description. You guys can click on it and you will get access. So um, and if any one of you is still looking at pairs, because today is actually a Friday, you can get in on USD. Once we have a break below this, get in on the 15-minute time frame. You need a break and retest back to the 10 EMA, and you can get in. So, but for me, I'm not trading anymore today. I'm going to count my gold loss, and I'm excited with GBP USD. It should hit my take profit for 20 pips, but once I have 10 pips, I'm going to start trailing my stop loss from there. I'm going to take partial profit and ride the rest till price hits my 20 pips take profit. So guys, that's it for me today. Like I said earlier, you can click the link below in the description if you want access to the 30 days challenge, and you can join the free signal group. You don't have to join the VIP, just join the free signal group, and I'll see you guys hopefully and God willing Monday morning New York session, and we're gonna start the 30 days challenge. Thank you guys for joining me. I'll see you guys on Monday.